Hey there, creators! Today, we're diving into CapCut's Text to Video feature, a tool that promises to transform your text into engaging videos. Sounds amazing, right? Well, the reality? Not so much. Buckle up, because we're breaking down why this feature often feels more like a circus act than a creative powerhouse. The voices, robotic and cringy. Let's talk about the AI-generated voices. They sound robotic, stiff, and downright unnatural. Want an emotional delivery? Forget it! The voices range from monotone drones to overly chipper caricatures. Instead of drawing viewers in, these voices make your video sound like it was narrated by a budget GPS system. The music, bland and forgettable background music, is supposed to elevate your video, but CapCut's selection, meh. The tracks are generic, uninspiring, and sometimes feel mismatched with your content. Want an emotional crescendo or something vibey? Nope. You're stuck with elevator tunes that feel like they came from a free stock music site from 2005. Worst of all, the audio mix often clashes with the narration, making it hard to focus on either. The visuals, random and awkward now. Let's get to the visuals. CapCut tries to pair your script with stock images and video clips, but the results are bizarre. Talking about love, you might get a clip of someone eating spaghetti. Mention adventure, boom, a random highway shot. The transitions are clunky, the images feel unrelated, and the whole thing comes off as an unintentional comedy sketch. Overall vibes, a clown show with bad voices, bland music, and visuals that barely connect to your script. The final product feels like a hodgepodge of poorly coordinated elements. Instead of wowing your audience, you might leave them scratching their heads or worse, laughing for all the wrong reasons. What's the fix? If you want to create videos that actually engage, use tools like Adobe Premiere Rush, Canva, or InVideo for better customization. Pair your scripts with high-quality voiceovers from platforms like Voices.com or even AI tools like 11 Labs for a more natural sound. Curate your visuals manually to ensure they match your story. CapCut's Text to Video tool might work in a pinch, but let's face it, if you want something polished, you'll have to look elsewhere. Until CapCut steps up its game, this feature is less cutting-edge and more like a cut corner. Got a similar experience? Drop it in the comments and let's share the laughs and frustrations. Remember to like, subscribe, and avoid the clown show.